Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, you will need a new app to open this exe file. First method is, Start, Settings. Click Apps. Search Store. Open Microsoft Store. Click Advanced Options. Click Reset. Click Reset. Second method is, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand .exe folder. Open default string. Make sure value data is exe file. Click exe file. Make sure default string value data is application. Click and expand exe file. Click and expand shell. Click and expand open. Click command. Make sure default string value data is, %1, %, Close and exit registry editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.